What's up, guys? Swift back with another video. Today we're going to be learning functions, but except with parameters. I meant accessibility modifiers. So there's two big words, I understand, but if you break down the words, they're really simple to understand. Accessibility modifiers. So the modifiers are properties of the function, so like attributes of the function, and then the accessibility properties about it. So accessibility, it just means how easy it is to access it. Today we're only going to learn two accessibility modifiers: private and public. So we learned last one on the functions, void, and you were also allowed to use int or any variable type with it. Today we're going to be learning public void or private void. So private void, there's something called a class. A class is like if you think about it, it's like a big function full of functions. So yeah, it's just a big function full of functions, except you can't use it as a function. You can see this class is called a program. You can't just write program blah blah. You can't just no, not that. We can't just write program and then do that. We have to do like program dot. If we write dot, then we'll find functions. See, we have that function inside it. So let's create a class. Namespace is like the file that have all the classes in it. So class, let's call it my class, and then let's have a function. So if we have a private void, so let's go func. If we use a private void, and we try to access it here, my class dot, we won't find it because it's private, and it's pretty self-explanatory because private, like it's gonna be private, but also because private, when you use private on a function, it makes it only available in that class. So if we had a function in here that uses that function, that would work because this is private and they're in the same class, but that wouldn't work because they're not in the same class. So let's make that public. Then let's see in the main function, my class. Oh yes, we need to make a variable of the class. So let's make my class, and let's call it MC, then equal new my class, and then let's see MC dot. See, we can see our function, and then we could write that, and then those two lines that would run this function. Now, if we wrote console.writeLine hi in there, it would write hi if we made it console.readLine under it. So it's pretty simple. So we can also use that for a string. We can use that for variable types, but then we have to return hi. So then we could make a string, let's call it greeting. Then if we made string greeting equals mc.func, that would make greeting equal hi, because mc.func equals hi. Public doesn't always have to be used on functions. Public can be used on basic variables like a public int a equals 5. We could find, if we looked in the MC functions or MC variables, we can see that, because in Visual Studio it will show you what type, because these are functions when you have a cube, but then when you have a box like this, or like a field, it will be shown as a variable. So if we had mc.a, and then so mc.a, we could make int, we could call it 5 equals mc.a. That would make 5, our variable, equal 5. So that concludes today's video. See you all in the next one. Bye.